Dah 1,700 je kita dah sold out. Sambal manja kita tinggal 3 je lagi. Our packaging station. So basically, bila barang dah well sealed and packed, kita hantar for delivery. And bila benda tu dah siap, boleh lagi dapat sampai rumah lah. Okey. Kat sini kita rebus kita punya cili lama-lama. Sini tu besar. For now, kita akan cuba betulkan apa yang patut dibetulkan. Terima kasih sudi follow sambal manja. Latif, jangan lupa follow balik. Mimpi. Aku ni kalau rap. Kang sambal aku tak jadi manja, Kang. Bos, kami dah tahu dah. Sambal tu kena potong. Add ventilation. Looking at our current location, this place is at high risk of flood. Kena ambil insurans. Lightning protection. Panas tu, this is dangerous. All good? Yes, thank you. Lega sikit aku rasa. Daripada risau nak bayar pasal repair, baik aku simpan wins.
Don't wait for your nightmare to become a reality. Start protecting your business now with Ira.